So hello everyone. Now moving forward, what we are making here is okay. So your eyes are all done, and okay, it is a hen, yaar. With the help of your this three kind of a thing on the top, you can actually find that it is a hen, and I think he's going somewhere for the work or something. Yeah, okay. So his work is all you have to wake you up, guys. So he's doing his work. Now moving forward, we are making few of the flowers here, and okay, so there's like a ghost here, but it is not a ghost. Oh, it is your mushroom house, that the one I used to fantasize all the time. You can also make them, and you might not be living in them, but okay guys, your happiness totally depends on you. You can make them and feel happy. Okay, now for okay, what am I making here? Is it a fox or a dog? It is a fox, yaar. Guys, yaar, it is a fox only, na. You're not able to guess it. Okay, so now when I'll say 1, 2, 3, and your colors will definitely appear. So I won't say it. Okay, so see how bad luck I have. And I was thinking that we'll just color it. Oh, we will color it, guys. 1, 2, and ta-da! Done. So thank you for watching.